Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you at the Corn Palace in Mitchell. What's not to love? Hey, it's a pretty cool place because it's all about history and geography. What's not to love about that? But equally important is the gathering of the state GIS coordinators, specialists, technicians, analysts, and basically everyone else that keeps the state running in terms of health, transportation, natural resources, habitat management, water, city planning, and other heroes that are using geospatial technology. So I just encourage you to come by the South Dakota GIS conference today and all through the week to come to workshops and to hear some presentations, and more importantly to network with each other and share best practices about what you're doing with geospatial technologies to make a better world. Thanks.